By the end of the video, we'll know about quick and intense HIIT workout for maximum results. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fantastic workout routine that's not only quick, but also intense, designed to help you get maximum results in minimum time. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, has become increasingly popular due to its amazing benefits. It's a perfect choice for those who are busy and want to squeeze in a workout, but still want to stay fit and healthy. Studies have shown that a 15-minute HIIT session can be equivalent to an hour of moderate intensity exercise. That means you can achieve your fitness goals without spending hours at the gym. So, are you ready to unleash your inner athlete and give it your all? Let's get started. Firstly, warm up by doing some dynamic stretches for at least 5 minutes. This will help prevent injuries and prepare your body for the workout ahead. Then, we'll jump into the core of the workout. We've prepared 3 circuits that each last about 5 minutes. Each circuit consists of 4 exercises performed back to back with no breaks between them. After completing one circuit, take a 1-minute break before moving on to the next one. Remember, consistency is key. Start with 2 rounds per week and gradually increase as you build endurance. The more regularly you do this workout, the more intense it will become, pushing you closer to your fitness goals. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great workouts and tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.